Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a carton of milk. Let's start off by drawing a long vertical line like so. Then, draw a really wide V shape at the bottom. On the right side, draw another long vertical line mirroring the one on the left. From the tip of the left line, draw a short line going up at a 45-degree angle. And then, a shorter vertical line going up from there. Next, draw a line that's parallel to the right half of the V below. A short line going straight down, and another line going down at a 45-degree angle and ending at the tip here. From this point here, draw two lines that copy the right side of the carton like this. Then, connect these corners with lines. Draw another line here at a slightly lower angle. And finally, connect these corners with a straight line to finish off the shape. For some added detail, we can write milk in big letters going down the side of the carton. And to add a fun design, draw a rectangle on the right side, followed by some wavy lines, and color them in for some cow spots. And now you've got a carton of milk.